For example, the women and men prayer is, there is no difference in hadith, right? But according to earlier Imma, they, like, women have to like conceal during prayer. But we know from hadith our prophet's underarm was shown. So now it's like how did Sheikh Al Albani came up with like the hadith of
Once again,
underarm shown sahih, but the earlier imams?
so once again, the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ praying with his arms showing, all the ulama mentioned this and they quoted it. Nobody said this wasn't a hadith. But some of the ulama said from the shyness of woman, she should be a little bit scrunched up. And some of the Hanafis, for example, brought some narrations that you can look in Al-Hidayah, and then Zaylai and Ibn Hajar in Al-Hidayah, in Nasb al-Raya, the Takhrij of Al-Hidayah, and Ibn Hajar Asqalani in Al-Diraya, fi Takhrij Al-Hidayah, they show the weakness of those ahadith. But earlier than those scholars, even earlier than Abu Hanifa, Darda, she used to pray, and they said about her salah, that was like a man. She did not differentiate between the salah of a man and a woman. So that's a sahabiya or tabi'ah, depending on which Darda we're talking about. That's before Abu Hanifa, before Shafi, before Malik, before Ahmad, before Dawud al-Zahiri, before Shawkani, before Ibn Taymiyyah. So again, they're not bringing something new. They're looking at the early scholars' work and quoting it.